This is the second video of our trip to Jampir for the Fauji fertilizer wind farm. This is where the Fauji land starts. Chale, aage leke jaye Major Sahab, Zahid Sahab. Now we are traveling this land. This land is basically why don't you say what you just said?
Is approximately this boundary is from this point to another point, which you can see on that side. The watchtower, that is the extent of the land.
Okay.
Width of the land, it is approximately 1.219 kilometers.
Okay.
And the other side of this, the opposite side, is 1.18 kilometers.
Okay.
And if you stretch from here to that side, it is 4.50 kilometers this side and 4.56 kilometers that side, on the northern side.
ये गेट पे रुकना जरा. Okay. Go ahead, keep talking.
So
I'm recording.
The total area is 1283 acres.
Okay. 1283.
Ji.
Not 1500. Yeah, रुक. आगे डॉक्टर साहब. This, what does this, Major Sahab, what does this FFCEL stand for? Fauji Fertilizer Energy Limited. Okay. Now, here we are, Major Sahab and Dr. Wazir. So we are going to. आगे आप This is how many kilometers from here?
This is approximately 4.50 kilometers.
Okay.
4.5 kilometer. ये है 1.19 kilometers on this side.
जी.
From here to that point, can you see that watchtower? That is the extent.
Okay.
So this is 1.19 kilometers.
Okay.
The other side is 1.18 kilometers on that side.
Okay.
You see it in the opposite, the width of the area.
Okay.
And on both sides is 4.5 and 4.56 kilometers. This is 4.56 and this is 4.5 kilometers. We have 33 turbines here.
Okay.
We have got 3 rows. Each row consists of 11 turbines, wind turbines.
Dr. Sahab, can you please hold this?
Sure.
Okay, and face it this way. Okay. Now what Major Sahab has just told me, he has showed me the area of this place, and for us, this area is very, very big. Matter of fact, we can put up nearly 100 megawatt solar farm in this area. The sun is very bright, clear, not like Karachi where it is cloudy. So with this, if we start from here and we go all the way there, we will measure the shadows of the wind turbines as to where the shadow is, and if we are facing south, we can see that we can put up 100 megawatt solar farm in this land. The grid is right there. Can you show the grid, Dr. Sahab? Those are the high tension cables, and there is a substation there.
No, it's substation is that. Oh, it's not visible. It's across this.
There is one. I can see some.
This is a transmission line which connects.
No, but there is one there down below, right there, at 1 o'clock.
You're talking about grid station.
Okay. There are two kinds of high tension wires. I think one is a 11 kVA and the other one, I'll have to check what is the kVA. How much is the kVA for that? Okay, we have to check. So basically, if we can utilize this land, and what we are going to do is that since there is greenery and there are trees there, that means that Jatropha can be grown here depending on where they put up the tube wells. Because if I can see this greenery, Jatropha is a much sturdy plant that can grow in this climate very, very well. if you span the camera on this side, Dr. Saab, these bushes and these trees. So if they are growing without any water or without any irrigation or drip system and all of that, we can utilize this land to grow Jatropha in it. There are already bushes here, so that means that the soil is capable. We might have to put in tube wells here to lower the level of the water. And once we do that, Fauji is very lucky to have this here. And let me taste the soil here. The soil is sweet. The soil is sweet, so we can, and here they have planted some plants. What are these plants?
These are basically Conocarpus.
Okay, okay,
the same plant which I was talking about.
Yes, yes. So these plants, if they have been growing here, we can plant Jatropha here and we can start growing Jatropha in this. You guys are lucky. Matter of fact, I am going to have Jatropha plants saplings.
Correct.
Okay, I'm going to talk to your group, and we will have 9 feet apart. We will have the holes 9-inch diameter dug up. We put the fertilizer in. We put the sapling, and we have few people who will just have like what we call a mushki.
Correct.
That once the tube well is there, we will have mushkis who will water these whole plants here.
Correct.
And in 1,000 acres, that means 1 million plants. 1 million plants, if we get even 2,000 liters an acre, that is 2 million liters an acre.
Correct.
From fertilizer to oil. That is the slogan going to be. Thank you.